Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G100, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now clearly you can see that the phone I have right here is locked, and I have the way of unlocking it through pattern, Google account, and you can also see this lock right here. So to begin the bypass, we're going to back out to the Wi-Fi connection page, and you can either be connected to your Wi-Fi or not. I don't think it really matters. I am sticking with being actually connected to it. So once you see your Wi-Fi list right here, you want to select the, what was it, actually because I didn't check what it's called, see all Wi-Fi networks right here, and then you want to scroll down to add a new network, and this will bring up your keyboard. As you can see on the keyboard right here, you have a microphone, so you want to tap on it, and then counterintuitively you want to deny access to that microphone. You want to do that once again. And as you can see now, the icon changed from being like the completely filled out white color to being just an outline. So once you tap on it now, it will bring up this option right here that Gboard needs microphone access to whatever. So you want to click on it and then select allow. This will bring us to apps and notifications, specifically to the Gboard section right here. And you want to select permissions. Then you want to tap on the search icon and search for settings. Scroll all the way down, and right here you will see at the bottom two different settings. So you want to open up, I believe, these ones. At least that's what it is for me. So pay attention to the difference in icon. This is the one that you're looking for. If you can't really see the difference in them, once you tap on one will have open, which is what you're looking for. And if you open the wrong one, this one, as you can see, does not have the open button. So that's the one that you're looking for with the open button. Once you click on it, obviously it will open up settings, and in here you want to select apps and notifications, then select app info, tap on the three dots, and then show system apps. In here you will find Android setup, click on it, and then select force stop. Okay, go back, scroll down to Google Play Services to be exact. There we go, Google Play Services. Select disable app and force stop, and OK. Then you want to go back to the settings page, the main one right over here, and you're going to scroll down to accessibility right here, and I'm going to scroll down some more to accessibility menu, and you want to enable it and select allow. Got it. It gives us a pop-up that you gain the accessibility menu by scrolling up with two fingers from the bottom. So once you have enabled this, we can now go back to the setup. There we go. So we're now back in the setup, as you can see. You can select skip, and this will start looking. Okay, there we go. Now once we click on don't copy, it will start looking for I guess verifications and updates and stuff like that, but because Google Play Services is disabled, it basically cannot find anything. So in here, what you're gonna do is, using those two fingers, you're gonna pull up the accessibility menu. You wanna tap on assistant, and this will bring up as settings sometimes. There we go, which only stays for a really brief moment. And what you wanna do is, let's try that again. Click on it, and as you can see, there's an enable button right over here. Now this might take you several tries. I think the first time I tried it, it took me about 7 tries or so before I actually finally got it. So you want to keep on doing that till you actually manage to select enable